What up, Forever Play Squad? In this video, I'll be talking about how to trade in 5 minutes for beginners. You heard it. How to trade in 5 minutes for beginners. Real quick, I'm gonna break it down. You already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. Before anything, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. With that out the way, now let's get to it. The first thing you want to do as a beginning new trader is you want to go to babypips.com. Babypips.com is the go-to for any new trader that just wants to learn Forex. It has a whole free entire course where they teach you everything, all the lingo, all the terminology, basically pretty much the whole nine of what you need to learn. It's pretty much beginner friendly as well. So first thing you want to do is go to babypips.com and click on learn for Forex. Straightforward, you see how to trade Forex. You start the course and you're on your way to learn how to trade Forex. It's that simple. So things that they cover is what is Forex, how do you trade Forex, where can you trade Forex, go into more details of major things like support, resistance, candlesticks, Fibonacci's, moving averages. These are all terms that you need to know to learn how to trade and be successful at trading. Going deeper in the course, you have market environments, trade breakouts and fakeouts, fundamental analysis, and multiple time frame analysis. These are a little bit more advanced concepts for new traders, but you definitely need to learn these things to become a trader. So if it was me, I would definitely start off with a free course that teaches you the market, teaches you everything you need to know, all the steps you need to know. And trading is very simple. It's just these concepts that you need to grasp and understand. And once you grasp and understand these concepts, then you definitely will be able to start trading. And I suggest trading with a small capital. Alright, so once you go through babypips.com, at some point you're going to want to buy a course to see how different traders actually trade the market in great detail, so you don't have to go through the pain, and it's more of a shortcut for you because you have someone that's already been through the process, and you could take what they learned and adapt and adjust to make your own trading plan. So that would be the best way to trade Forex. Another thing, you want to learn everything about TradingView and MetaTrader. So TradingView is pretty much the standard for trading on any device, and it's a clean, clear chart which shows you the market. So that is how to trade in 5 minutes. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button. And I hope you guys enjoy this whenever you watch this. Peace.